Practical Travellers, today you're joining us down at Mudeford Quay and Avon Beach, and we are enjoying some fantastic September sunshine. Beautiful skies, fantastic calm seas on the quayside, great for kayaking, paddleboarding. If you fancy a little bit of crabbing, you can also do that down here. Over the waterway you will see Hengistbury Head, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell because we have a Hengistbury Head guide coming up real soon. As you can see, it's really busy down the quay with lots of people taking advantage of the different things that are on offer. It really is beautiful down here with lots of things to see and do and sights to take in. We love a nice free activity at Practical Travellers, and crabbing down at the quay is something that's really easy and simple to do and great fun with kids. You can get the stuff for a small charge from the local fishing shop on the quay, and you've then got it to keep for when you want to come back. You can't obviously eat the crabs, I wouldn't suggest doing that, but just pop them back in the water when you've finished. Plenty of people do it. It's great fun with a little bit of competition involved as well. Who's got the most in the bucket? If you're coming down by car, the car park can get quite full, so it's worth getting down here earlier or checking out one of the local Facebook groups to see if anyone's got some private parking that they can offer. The roads surrounding Mudeford Quay and Avon Beach are patrolled by parking wardens, and most of them are double yellow lines, so don't even try to find somewhere around there to park because you will get a ticket. Adjacent to Mudeford Quay is Avon Beach with its miles of golden sand, beach huts and at times crystal clear waters. Lots of facilities down there to use, including a restaurant, fish and chip shop, ice cream shop and a takeaway tea and coffee place. Something for everyone. It's the perfect destination to come on holiday or just for a day out, any time of year. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to know how we shot this video and the equipment we used, please check out the description. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it to get notifications of our new videos, as we do post 2 or 3 times a week. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you later.